All right. Welcome back, everybody, for another deep dive. This time we're going to be looking at AI-driven solutions for businesses.
Sounds good.
Yeah, and we found some really interesting stuff about how, AI is kind of shaking things up in different industries.
Mhm.
And, I think we can all relate to that.
Yeah, that's
We're
great.
seeing AI everywhere now.
It's everywhere you turn around.
Exactly. And so this is going to be great deep dive to see, how specifically it can be used to help businesses out. And, whether you're a tech expert or you're just kind of getting started, hopefully there'll be something in here for everybody.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, everybody can benefit from this.
Yeah, exactly.
So what's the main takeaway we're seeing so far?
Well, one thing that really jumped out at me was this emphasis on efficiency and adaptability.
Okay.
Like
Yeah.
those seem to be the two big things for businesses to really make it
Yep, those are the keys.
in today's world, right?
Absolutely. You got to be able to do things quickly and you got to be able to change with the times.
Exactly.
The-
Exactly.
I mean, think about it. Imagine like a store, a retail store that can use AI to figure out exactly what people are going to buy before they even buy it.
Oh, wow.
That's the future.
Yeah.
Like less waste, more profit.
Hmm.
Like it just makes sense. And then, even on the flip side, if things are changing really rapidly,
Right.
you need to be able to keep up, you know? And so AI can kind of help you do that.
Yeah, like pivot, like change your strategy quickly.
Exactly.
Right.
Imagine an online store
Mm.
that can use AI to look at all its customer data and be like, oh, okay, people are buying this. Now we need to advertise this more.
Right.
It's that kind of quick thinking and agility.
Yeah, like almost like superpowers for businesses
Yeah.
that AI can bring to the table.
Exactly. Superpowers.
And so our source also talks about some specific benefits like automation, scalability,
Mm.
and this thing called actionable insights.
Okay.
What does all that even mean, like in real life?
Well, I mean, automation is really about freeing up your time. Like, instead of, you and your team spending hours and hours entering data and doing all that boring stuff,
Right, right.
AI can just do it for you.
Yeah, like automatically.
Exactly. It's like having a robot assistant that never gets tired.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah, and then scalability. That's like, let's say you have this amazing product
Yeah.
and suddenly everybody wants it.
Hmm.
Your business needs to be able to grow really quickly to meet that demand.
Right.
AI can help you do that seamlessly so you don't miss out on any customers.
So you can kind of scale up to whatever you need.
Exactly.
Okay, that makes sense. What about those actionable insights, though? What's
Yeah.
that all about?
Yeah, so think of data as like a giant puzzle. Right.
Okay.
AI can help you put all the pieces together so you can see the big picture. But more importantly, it tells you what to do with that picture.
Oh.
Like what actions to take. Like let's say you own a restaurant.
Mm-hmm.
AI could look at all your sales data, all your reviews, even the weather, and then be like, hey, you know what? Maybe you should tweak your menu a little bit. Or
Yeah.
you should run this special promotion right now,
Hmm.
and that would help you make more money.
So it's not just about having data, it's about using it in a smart way.
Exactly.
Okay, I love that. All right, so let's actually talk about some specific AI solutions. The first one that really caught my eye was this AI-enhanced custom software.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one.
What's that all about?
So basically imagine instead of trying to squeeze your business into a software that already exists,
Mhm.
you have software that's tailor-made just for you.
Oh, wow, that's cool.
Yeah.
Like custom fit.
Exactly. It fits your business perfectly,
Mhm.
meets all your needs and goals.
Yeah. How's that actually being used out there?
Well, so healthcare is a great example.
Okay.
They're using AI-enhanced software to analyze patient records and be like, oh, this patient might be at risk for this.
Right.
Or, this treatment plan might work better for this patient. And it can even help with the boring administrative stuff.
Oh, that's amazing.
So doctors and nurses can spend more time with their patients.
That's a huge benefit. All right, so we've got custom software. What about AI-powered mobile apps?
Yeah, those are everywhere these days. It seems like every app has some AI in it.
It really does.
But when we're talking about AI-powered apps specifically, we're talking about apps that do things that we couldn't even imagine before.
Okay. Yeah.
Think about an app that can translate languages in real time while you're talking to someone.
Oh, yeah, I've seen those.
It's mind-blowing.
It is mind-blowing.
That can completely change the way we communicate globally.
Yeah, and in education, that could be huge.
Absolutely. Imagine students being able to access learning materials in any language, or
Mhm.
like working with classmates from all over the world.
That would be amazing.
It would be amazing. And AI can also like personalize the learning experience so each student is learning at their own pace.
Yeah, that makes sense. All right, the third one that caught my eye was this AI monitoring in managed IT services.
Oh, yeah, that's a fun one.
What's going on there?
So imagine you have this like AI system that's constantly watching over your computer network
Okay.
and all your systems and looking for any signs of trouble.
So it's like a 24/7 tech support team,
Huh?
but like AI.
Yeah, exactly. Like a tech-savvy guardian angel.
I love that. So this AI guardian angel could actually spot problems before they even happen.
Yeah, exactly. Like it can detect like unusual activity
Okay.
or predict if something's about to crash. And it can even do like routine maintenance stuff automatically.
Oh, wow.
So like for businesses where they can't afford to have their computers go down, like
Mm,
banks or online stores,
yeah,
this is like a game changer.
that makes sense.
Yeah.
All right, so we've seen some really cool examples of AI in action, but how does a business actually get started with all this? It can seem kind of overwhelming, right?
Yeah, it can be. The first step is to just figure out what you're trying to achieve.
Okay.
Like, what specific problems are you trying to solve? What are your goals for your business? And how can AI help you get there?
So don't just jump into AI because it's the cool new thing.
Exactly. Have a plan. And once you know what you want to do, then you can start looking at all the different AI tools and platforms out there. There's
Right.
like custom software you can have built, there's off the shelf solutions.
Right.
It's all about finding the right fit for your business.
Mm-hmm. And our research also talks about training your team.
Yeah, that's super important. Like, you got to invest in your people and give them the skills to use these AI tools effectively.
So it's not about replacing people with robots. It's about like working together.
Exactly. It's a partnership.
Okay, I like that. Now, this is an interesting one. Our source mentions pairing AI efficiency tools with creative platforms,
Oh, yeah.
like this thing called freebeat.ai. What is that all about?
So freebeat.ai is basically an AI music composer.
Oh, wow.
It can create like original music tracks that you can use for free.
So instead of hiring a composer or paying for like stock music, you can just have AI make the music.
Exactly.
That's incredible.
It's like super cost effective and efficient.
Yeah.
And you can use the music for your marketing, your videos,
Mm.
even like in your store. It's
All right.
like creating this like unique soundscape for your brand.
That's really cool. So how does all of this tie back to like the bottom line, the ROI? How does AI actually make businesses more money?
Well, I mean, think about it. AI can make things more efficient. It can cut costs.
Okay.
It can open up like whole new ways to make money, and it can make your customers happier.
So it's like a win-win.
Exactly. It's all about making your business smarter, faster, and more adaptable.
Yeah. It sounds like AI can help businesses not just survive, but actually thrive.
That's the goal. AI is not just some futuristic thing anymore. It's here, it's now, and it's changing everything.
Yeah. It's a pretty exciting time to be in business.
Yeah.
So as we wrap up this deep dive, what's like one question you want our listeners to think about?
That's a good one. I think the big question is, if AI can already do all this stuff, like make things more efficient, help us adapt, and even be creative,
Yeah.
what else can it do in the future?
That is a good question. Like, what other parts of our lives can it revolutionize?
Exactly.
That's a great thought to leave everyone with. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into AI-driven solutions. Until next time, keep exploring this amazing world of AI. And see y'all later.
See ya.